France, once the beating heart of Europe's economy, just had its credit rating downgraded by S&P Global. The reason? Too much debt. Not enough control. This isn't just about one country. It's a warning sign for every developed nation that thought they could borrow endlessly without consequence. S&P cited rising deficits, political gridlock, and a weak growth outlook. In simple terms, France is spending more than it earns, while its economy is barely moving, and the world is losing faith. For decades, France was seen as the stable center of Europe, home of luxury, culture, and financial strength. But now, the French government's debt is nearing 110% of GDP. Interest payments are climbing fast, and every new policy, from energy subsidies to social spending, adds fuel to the fire. Behind this downgrade is a bigger story, one that echoes through history. When debt becomes a government's addiction, collapse is only a matter of time. Ancient Rome debased its currency. The French monarchy printed assignats. Modern Fudons. It's borrowing in a global market that's starting to lose patience. And it's not alone. The US, Japan, Italy, all face similar warnings. But the difference is, France blinked first. A downgrade means higher borrowing costs. And higher borrowing costs mean more debt just to pay interest. It's a vicious loop, and one that has destroyed empires before. The truth is, credit ratings are the modern version of an empire's reputation. Once trust is gone, the fall begins quietly. Then, all at once, subscribe to Finance Untold, where we expose the financial cracks no one else dares to talk about.